We're using Photoshop CC version 2018, and there are some features in here that you might want to turn off. So on our tools over here on the left-hand side, if you rest your mouse on them, they have what are called Rich Tooltips, and it shows you a little animation of what the tool does. And as a beginner, you might find it useful, or you might find it annoying. So it shows you here, and if you click this, it will open up a file and show you some more stuff. So I'm going to just show you how to turn it off in case you don't want that to pop up. We're going to go to Edit, Preferences down at the very bottom, and then we're going to go to Tools. And again, these are called Rich Tooltips. So here's the checkbox that turns them on. So if you want to turn them off, you can just uncheck that, click OK, and then the next time you open Photoshop, you will just be able to put your cursor on the icon and the tooltips now won't show up anymore. So that's just a little trick that you might want to start using in Photoshop.